Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over the camping and fishing clearance list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, just as a quick reminder, our camping and fishing category is currently sitting at 50% off. This clearance markdown did start on February the 20th, so everything that you see in this video is currently sitting at 50% off. However, it will continue to drop with our clearance markdowns as the weeks move forward and will eventually penny out. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, and make sure you have your notifications turned on, because I do upload the new clearance markdowns and penny list every single week right here on the Craz-E Coupons YouTube channel. Now let's go ahead and talk about the details of our camping and fishing category, because at the beginning of the week I told you all that this category had me stumped. I wasn't quite sure what was going to be included. Luckily, we did receive a full itemized list with all the items that are included. So throughout this video, you will see the item along with the description, the UPC code, and the regular price. Now, unfortunately, Dollar General did not do a very good job this time of adding pictures into the DG app so that we actually know what we are looking for. However, thanks to a few amazing Craz-E couponers who sent in pictures and information this week, I was able to pull this video together for us. So what you guys want to be on the lookout for are the Path and Stream brand of fishing and camping supplies. Now, at the end, you guys are also going to see a few True Living brand items as well, but the majority of these items are from the Path and Stream brand. So as you guys can see, the pictures are scrolling across your screen now, and I'm very curious to hear from you all. Have you noticed these items at your stores? Because if you guys can find these items even at 50% off, some of these are still great deals. I mean, we have everything from air mattresses to chairs, sleeping bags, all kinds of camping and fishing equipment. It's crazy. I would absolutely love to stumble upon a store that carries these items. So you guys, let me know, have you spotted any of these items at your stores? All right, guys, here in just a minute, you all are going to see some slides that scroll across your screen, and up in the top right-hand corner, they are going to say not exact item pictured. And I had to do this for a couple of different reasons. Of course, the most obvious is we could not find all of the items that are included in this category. Now, I thought about, hey, I will just type up the list or take pictures of the list and put that in a video for you all. But as I started reading through, some of the descriptions just really did not make sense without including some kind of reference picture for you all. So I actually did a little research into all of these items, and what I found was the majority of them are very similar, if not the exact same item, that you can find at Walmart with their Ozark Trail brand. And a lot of them are even priced exactly the same, if not within $1 or $2 of each other. So as we move on through the video, you will see some Ozark Trail branded items, but I just want you all to keep in mind that we are in fact looking for the Path and Stream branded items. They're just going to be packaged very similarly, just a different name. So hopefully that will help you guys out. Again, I thought maybe I should just post the list and be done with it, but once I started reading through some of these descriptions, I had no idea what some of these items were. So I thought, you know what? I am going to at least give everybody a reference picture. That way we know what the item actually is that we're looking for. So hopefully that will help you all out. Again, do not forget the majority of these items are Path and Stream, with the exception of a few True Living items that you'll see at the end of the video. We've got a few water bottles, cups, and mugs. And then we also have one calico lighter that is included in this category. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now, and we are almost to the end of our camping and fishing visuals. So I hope that you all found this video helpful, and I also wanted to remind you all before you go, we do have a Dollar General clearance event coming up right around the corner. It has been confirmed. We do have the dates. It's going to start on Friday, March the 1st, and run through Sunday, March the 3rd. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for that. Turn on your notifications notifications and make sure that they are set to all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, because this week it's going to be crazy, guys. We go all out for these clearance events. I'm talking coupons, rebates, you name it. We're going to talk about it. We're going to go over all the things that you need to know about Dollar General clearance events. In fact, I already have a video ready for you all, and in that video I go over all of the common questions plus my pro tips. So make sure that y'all go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next one.